to spray varnish these two paintings here. I've cleaned all the silicone off. This one didn't have any, but this one had some. And what I did was I took you have to wait maybe a couple of weeks for the paint to cure. And then I took a tiny bit of Dawn on a sponge, cleaned it, rinsed it, and dried it. You don't need much Dawn, and you don't need much water. So just be careful. Sometimes the red might bleed a little bit. That's why you have to wait a couple of weeks or more. Okay, I'm gonna spray. And I'm right beside a window in my basement with my window open. And I'm just doing light streaks. And I'll do this a couple of times. You can do this quite often. You can wait. You only need to wait. It says dries in 10 minutes. Apply 2 thin coats. So I'll wait 10 minutes and I'll do another coat. All right, I'll be back. Okay, I came back. Just giving my varnish a good shake. To shake it for like a couple of minutes. I've switched. This is the Camar varnish by Krylon. This one you only have to wait 5 minutes between coats. This one's more shiny. The first one I used wasn't as shiny, so I switched. This is a shinier one, and it goes on nicely. I'm just going to give it another coat. Have to keep moving. There, I'll let that dry. That looks nice and glossy now. I don't know if you can see, but let's see if I can lift it up. There, you can see the gloss. I'll let this go for 5 more minutes and I'll give it one more coat and that should be it. I don't know why I bought the other one, but this one is the one that I like. Okay. Usually you can tell by the lid if it's glossy. This lid's glossy. Doesn't say glossy, but non-yellowing, easy rework, free from impurities, but I'm doing it near an open window, indoors. If it's nice weather, you can go outside is probably a good idea. I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to give it one more coat with this varnish. You can go one way and then you can go the other direction. I think that's good. And I'll show you when it's dry. That's wet. 5 minutes, it'll be dry. Okay. Here we go. This is dried and it's nice and shiny. And that's 2 coats of the Kramer, not Kramer, but Karmer varnish by Krylon. I think I got this at Walmart. Michael's probably sells it too. Comes out nice. That you could do 3 coats if you don't think it's shiny enough, but I gave it a good going over. I'll show you the other one. You can see the shine. There we go. There. It really brings out the colors in your paintings when you varnish. Alright, this is my spray varnish video. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.